Hey and welcome to this new video of Java. So in this video we will learn about sets and a hash map. So sets basically it's a collection. Like collection, it can be a collection of an integer, string, double, or whatever data type we want. And to declare or to type a set, we use set. After that we type in here like the type of the set. For example, let it be an integer, so integer. After that, the name of set, let's name it st for example, or let's name it cl collection equal new hash map. So hash map, and here also we type the type, it's integer, and because it's a function we need those two. So here let's just import them. So import the hash map and import the set also. So make sure that they are importing in here both the set and the hash map. You still give me an error here. Ah yes, here it's a hash set and not a hash map, because like hash map we need here like two variables, key and clue. Maybe we will talk about that later. So now make sure that the both are important, the hash map and the hash set and the set. And if we want to add, for example, a number to our collection set, we will just type the name of the set and after that add. And here since it has type integer, so that means we will add integers. So I will just copy and paste this here. Let's make it 9, here 2 for example, and let's add another 5. So now let's type and see this set. So here we just put it name, and now like pay attention to the output. So we have like 4 elements, but see the output. In the output here we will find just 3 elements, and this set it's like it's not organized. See, we have just 3 output, 2, 5 and 9. So why we have just like 3? Because here he consider this like it's a double, so we have 2, 5, so he take in consideration just 1. Now if we add, for example, let's change this 5 with 8 for example. Let's run again, and we see that this is it's not organized. So see here 2, then 5, then 8, then 9, and they are not like in that order. So now another function like in set, if we want like to check if an element exists in our collection or not. And to do that we will use like the function contain. So here for example clt dot contain, and here it is, and inside like this parameters we will add, for example, the number that we want to check if there is in or it exists in our set or not. Let's type for example 5. So here like it return a boolean, so either it's true or false. So we will just see we have 5, so this means he will like show us true because this 5 it exists. Let's see, for example, if we add 0 it become 15. Now let's run again and see, he will show us like false. So now this is like if now we are using the array, which will be first a loop then condition to check if we have like an element in our array or not. And we see here in the set are like very quickly, and we have just dot container and then we type the number. And also one thing about set, that they are very quickly and they response very fast. And if we want to remove something from our set, we'll use just name of the set dot remove, and after that, like the number that we want to remove. For the moment, let's remove this 8. So 8, and here let's print our set. So run this application, and we will see here that there is no 8 because we remove it. There is another function called clear. So dot clear if we want like to empty all our set. So now we will see that see here the size of it, it's empty because we type clear. So basically clear, it remove all the collection. And we have another one, it's called, or also it check if the set is empty or not. So for the moment it's empty, so here we will use clt dot is empty. So now it will like it must give us true, because here we add this, remove 8, and after that clear all. So that's mean our list is empty. Another thing also, or another function in set, is the size. So if we want to know the length of a set, we just type the name of this set dot size. So size, and here let's have 1 2 3 4, and we delete 4, that means we have just 3. So, and here also it can show us that size of our set is just 3 element. And we see, or we already said that this hash set, it gives us like those elements but unordered. It exists another I said like another standard of set, it's called tree set. So tree set, and we need also to import it. So import, yeah, we are importing it. And now let's see, for example, I will add another variable, so we'll see if I still have it. Yeah, for example -3, and let's also add 0 so that you can see that it's in order. So now let's run this. So basically what this tree set, it's make those in order. See here, -3, 0, 2, 5, and then 9. And it has like the same function as the hash set of the clear, remove, size, and those functions that we see with the hash set. And we have also another type, it's called linked hash set. So linked hash set, and the same as before, we need also to import it. So now I will make add instead of remove, and let's run this. So basically it's the same as tree set and hash set. And here you see that he's also like unordered. It's not like a tree set because the elements here are unordered. So I think this is all for the set. Now we will see the list. So the list, like you will find them, they are like more easier than set bar. It's good also to know about the set, so maybe you will use them instead of using the simple array. So for the list, if we want like to type new list, let's name it array list, or this data type, it's array list, and here we put like a data type, it's an integer. So integer, and here the name of our list, we'll name it ls. So new array list. So array list, also here integer, and on the same we need to import the array list. So now it's in import. Why they give me this error? Here integer, and here also. So Now if I want like to add a new variable in our list, we type just same as the set, so ls add, for example, let's put just one here, and here it's ls add, for example, 2. And you can think of this array list, it's like a dynamic array, so we can like add in his size and remove in his size dynamically. So now if I want, for example, to get the index or the element that has the index of 0, we will type, for example, ls dot get, and let's type, for example, 0, and now it should give us 1 because he's the one with the index of 0. So it's still running. I don't, yeah, see here 1. Now if I want to change something, this variable of 2 to something else, so I would just type ls dot set, and here first I need to type the index of this variable that I want to change. For example, it's 1, so this 2, and let's change it to, for example, some variable else, let's 5. Now let's type our list to see if what we'll do it's correct or not, or if what we did it's correct or not, and we will see 1 and 5. See 1 and 5, why? Because the 2 which we're changing it to 5 with just this set. Also the same, if we want to know the size, we just put ls dot size. Also the same, I think, from remove and clear. And we have also another function that we can use with list. You can find it like it's important to use. So first I will just add more thing in here. For example, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And here, for example, if I want to have or just to show a range between indexes, for example, I will show just 3, 4, and 5. So 3, it's the index of 0, 1, 2. So 2 till, and here also 2, 3, 5. So 2, 3 till 5. So first I will type the name of the list, and here we have a function called sublist, and here it is, and here from index to index. So for example, from index 2 till index, for example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so till 4. And here 4, it's not include, so it will just show me here 3, 2, and 3. So 0, 1, 2, and 3, because we said the last index it's not like include. So just 3 and 4. If we type here, for example, from 2 till 5, we will see that we have 3, 4, and 5. So just see here we have 3 elements. So I think this is all for this video. We learn about set and array. So in the next video we will learn about maps and hash map. So see you next.